The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 117 is here, and it's a beast. This iconic cruiser, known for its bold design and power-packed performance, is back and better than ever. With a new 117 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight engine, the Fat Boy continues its legacy as one of the most recognizable and powerful bikes in Harley's lineup. Today, we're going to dive into what makes the 2025 Fat Boy 117 stand out, from its performance and design to the new features that make this bike a true masterpiece. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end, because there's a special surprise you don't want to miss. First, let's talk about the heart of this machine, the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine. This 1923cc twin engine is the largest displacement engine available in the Harley-Davidson lineup, and it's a serious powerhouse. With 125 pound-feet of torque at just 3,500 RPM, the Fat Boy 117 delivers an exhilarating riding experience, whether you're cruising on the open road or opening it up on the highway. The smooth power delivery and deep, throaty exhaust note make this bike feel like it's alive beneath you. It's a bike that demands respect and delivers every time you twist the throttle. The 117 engine isn't just about raw power, it's engineered for efficiency and durability. Harley has optimized the cooling system, ensuring that the bike runs cool even when you're pushing it hard. The 6-speed transmission delivers seamless shifts, and the Brembo brakes give you all the stopping power you need to bring this powerhouse to a halt with confidence. Now, let's talk about the Fat Boy's signature design. The 2025 model maintains the bold, muscular look that the Fat Boy is known for, but with some modern updates. The iconic solid disc wheels are back, but now they sport a new matte finish for a more aggressive look. The fat, low-slung profile gives the bike an unmistakable presence on the road, while the chrome details and sleek lines maintain that premium Harley feel. The twin cannon exhaust setup continues to be a standout feature, and with the 117 engine, it's more than just a visual cue, it's part of the unmistakable sound this bike makes. When you fire it up, that deep rumble is impossible to ignore. The bodywork is classic Fat Boy, with a large front fender and a low-slung seat that keeps the rider close to the ground. Whether you're cruising down the street or just parked at a cafe, this bike demands attention. One of the things that's been updated on the 2025 Fat Boy 117 is its modern tech features. Harley-Davidson has equipped this cruiser with a high-definition digital display, which combines classic analog styling with modern digital technology. The new display shows everything from ride modes to trip information, and even connects to your smartphone through Bluetooth, so you can control music, navigation, and calls without taking your hands off the handlebars. Speaking of ride modes, the Fat Boy 117 comes with multiple ride modes to tailor the bike's performance to your mood. Whether you're in the mood for a smooth cruise or a more aggressive ride, this bike can adapt to your needs. For comfort, the 2025 Fat Boy 117 doesn't disappoint. The enhanced suspension system includes a new, adjustable rear shock that gives the rider a smoother, more controlled ride. It's designed to handle the rigors of long rides, yet still gives you that classic Harley cruiser feel. The ergonomics are spot on, with a relaxed yet commanding riding position that makes long journeys feel effortless. When it comes to safety, Harley has packed the Fat Boy 117 with all the essentials, including ABS brakes, traction control, and cruise control for those long stretches of highway. The Fat Boy 117 is a bike that's ready for whatever you throw at it, whether that's a scenic weekend ride or a week-long tour across the country. And now for the big surprise, Harley-Davidson is releasing a limited edition version of the 2025 Fat Boy 117, featuring custom paint schemes, exclusive badging, and a premium leather seat. Only a limited number of these bikes will be made, making them a true collector's item. If you're a serious Harley fan, this is the version you won't want to miss. So, here's the question I want to leave you with. What's your favorite feature of the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 117? Is it the raw power of the 117 engine, the unmistakable design, or the modern tech updates? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a conversation going. That's a wrap on the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 117. With its power, performance, and unmistakable design, this bike is everything you want in a cruiser, and then some. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next ride.